And from where Vijnanamaya Kosha comes? Vijnanamaya Kosha is the product of avidya. Fine? Let us now have the sequence. Vijnanamaya Kosha is product of avidya, is avidya karya. Paramatma identified with Vijnanamaya Kosha appears to be jiva and suffers the samsara. Is it not? Therefore, the student's question was like this: whether this samsara or whether this jiva is real or false. Why is it false? Because avidya is false, Vijnanamaya Kosha is false. One who is identified with a false Vijnanamaya Kosha is equally false. So therefore, and because of that bondage, so therefore, whether this bondage is bhranti or vastava, but one thing is real. What is that? Anadehe nashaha nasti. That which is uncaused, that beginningless means it has no cause. That which is uncaused has no destruction. So therefore jivatva cannot be destroyed, samsara cannot be destroyed. Close Vedanta and walk off. कुछ मजा मजा करने का है तो देखो. So why you bother about the Vedanta? The Guru at length told problem of Bhranti gets removed, terminated by removal of Bhranti by proper knowledge. Then what the Rajya Sarpa example also was given. So samsara is there so long as Bhranti, erroneous concept is there. When the Bhranti, erroneous concept about oneself is gone, samsara, lock, stock, barrel goes. But the student is not that much satisfied. No, he is not satisfied. You know why? His question is not directly answered. What are his questions? Anadi cannot have destruction. Vijnanamaya Kosha is the product of Anadi. Avidya cannot be destroyed. Jivatva cannot end. Samsara cannot end. Guru censored, because Guru was not teaching with the closed eyes. He could see he is not totally satisfied, and he could sense the reason why he is not satisfied. So therefore, point blank to his own question, he is giving the answer no. See? अविद्यायाः तथा कार्यस्य अपि अनादित्वम् इष्यते. Avidya. See, these two are accepted to be anadi, beginningless. What are those? Avidyayaha, of ignorance of oneself. Tatha, so also karyasya. कस्याः कार्यस्य? अविद्यायाः कार्यस्य. Whose कार्य? कार्य means effect. To take our vernacular karya means or something to be done or some action, etc. Effect means here whatever that is produced by avidya. What is that in the specific context? Vijnanamaya Kosha. Here actually avidya karya signifies entire creation. Creation is product of ajnana at totality level called as maya. Now here the specific instance of Vijnanamaya Kosha is there. So avidyayaha tatha karyasya means Vijnanamaya Koshasya api anaditvam means upadhe anaditvam. Student special was what? Tadupadhe anaditvat nanade न अनादेहे नाशः इष्यते. This is what he has asked. उपादेहे अनादित्व. विज्ञानमय कोश उपादेश अनादि. अनादेहे नाशः न इष्यते. That was the question. Say that upadi is specified. Who specified? Guru. Avidya and karya specifically Vijnanaya kosha. Anaditvam ishyate. Ishyate means come on, Sanskrit word. Angikriyate. Repeated coming. You should be familiar with that. Angikriyate. Angikriyate means what? Is accepted. Angikaram. Angikaram means acceptance. Angikriyate. Accepted. Yes. What you said is correct. What you said? Upade, anade, no doubt about it. But vidyayam to utpannayam. When vidya, with vidya, atma vidya, brahma vidya, when it is born, vidyayam to avidyakam anadiyapi sarvam sahamulam vinashyati. All this, what is that? Avidyakam. Avidyakam means that which is the product of avidya. Avidyakam. Avidyakam. This is avidya and product of avidya. That's avidyakam. Anadiyapi. Even though causeless, even though beginningless, what happens to that? Sarvam, this entire avidya karya, the jagat, sahamulam vinashyati, gets destroyed. How? Sahamula. Sahamula means mulena saha, along with its root cause. What is root cause? Avidya. Vijnanamaya root cause is avidya. Along with that, sarvam vinashyati. How? Prabodhe sapnavat. When you wake up from the dream, entire dream with its cause is destroyed. What is the cause of dream? Huh? What is that? Sleep or waking state samskaras. I think this thing is both. both is true, but I am asking the basic cause, indispensable cause. Sleep. But this Jagrata samskara have a role. Not that they have no role to play, but basically sleep. First you have to sleep, then the mind has got what is called as ardha vikas. Mind is not totally active, it becomes half active, and then Jagrata samskaras operate. Otherwise, are you dreaming now? If daydreaming, don't tell me. Okay. But have you got Jagrata samskaras now or not? Now you have got Jagrata vasana. Whatever you explain vasana, but you have no. Suppose that's a dream. Suppose you sleep off, possibility of that, what is that? It is called ardha vikas. That's sleep. Now, the person woke up from the dream. What does it mean? Mula is what? Sleep gone. Therefore, the root cause of sapna is sleep and not the samskara. Samskaras play the secondary role. Therefore, says, saprabodhe sapnavat sarvam sahamulam vinashyati. Everything gets destroyed. Still, what is not answered? Anadi upadi subject to destruction, because the rule he has given, what is the rule? Anything beginningless anything without cause should necessarily be without end. This is not an invariable rule. Generally so, but it is not invariably true because there is exception. You know what is exception? Avidya. No. Exception. No, avidya. You can't say avidya is exception. You have to prove it. You have to give some other illustration like that avidya is an exception. What is that? Say, idam anadi api. Idam means what? Not simply avidya. Avidya tat karyam. Both avidya and its effect. Here specifically vijnanamaya koshavidam. Anadi api. No nityam. No nityam. No nityam. It is not nitya. Why? It is like this. Pragabhavaha iti etat sputam bhavati. Just like prior non-existence. Pragabhava means prior non-existence. This is the terminology of Tarkika. What is this prior? Pragabhava, pradhamsa bhava, anyonya bhava, all abhavas, abhavas, this is. What is pragabhava? Prag means prior, earlier. Abhava means non-existence. Prior non-existence means, let us take an example. This microphone was manufactured by a manufacturer on such and such a day. Before that day, did the microphone exist? Means microphone had pragabhava, prior non-existence. When did the prior non-existence of microphone start? Anadi. From the mud pot is made. Before the pot is made, the pot doesn't exist. That is prior non-existence, pragabhata, pragabhava. When did it say? Anadi. Do you know Chinese? No. When did it start? You have to say from birth. We don't know. Last birth we are in China. Who knows? Who knows? There are some Nadi fellows or something. Some people is astrologers. Last birth you were born in Kolhapur. Presently you are in Bombay. And if you are from Chennai, last birth you are born in Ceylon. That is what a fellow can conceive as such. His mind can't go beyond that. God knows, really you are true, we don't know what that is not bother about. So, like that, so that is that. So here, what? Pragabhava, so that is that. So the Chinese language you don't know. Any language. Why your own mother tongue? Why go that far? Your own mother tongue, whichever it may be, ignorance from the birth. Here we can't say anadi because we can't say anadi here in the sense because we don't know last birth whether you were an ant or a mosquito, that is a different thing. What is the guarantee that you were human being only in the last birth? Anyway, we need not bother about that. Presently human being or not? Any doubt? Sure. Make best use of it. Make best use of it. And even if you have got certain deficiencies, now itself start sending SOS SMS calls. To whom? Parameshwara. Start sending SOS. You know what is SOS? Save our soul. Nowadays no problem. SMS bill. SMS bill to save our soul. So that is like that Mayday signal, they say, Mayday signal, etc. Like that sense. In fact, Parameshwara is waiting for that. But one thing, mere sending will not help. He will verify whether a genuine, see, you can't prove him. So your external pomp and show cannot fool Parameshwara. So is it genuine or not? So then he will guide you, but who has to put forth the effort? We have to put forth the effort. Prag anade api, idam anadi api, nityam no, not nitya. Why? He says, pragabhava iva etat sputam bhavati. Just moment the pot is made, moment the microphone is manufactured, its pragabhava gone. Means what happens? Even though beginningless, it can end. You know, this rule, how it has come? That which is beginningless is endless, without nasha. It is come from Atma only. Atma is beginningless, it is endless. But other things, beginningless, but with the end, they are ending in nature. So let us say now, how pragabhava iva. The Guru has only told this much. Like the pragabhava, he has not explained the illustration. That illustration of pragabhava is being explained.
Anaderapi vidvamsaha pragabhavasya vikshitaha yadbuddhyupadi sambandha parikalpitamātmani jīvatvam na tatōnyastu swarūpena vilakshanah sambandhasvātmano buddhya mityājñāna purasarah. Advaya anadehi prag abhavasya api vidvamsaha vikshitaha yad जीवत्वं बुद्ध्युपाधि संबंधात् आत्मनि परिकल्पितम् तत् ततः अन्यत् स्वरूपेण विलक्षणं न तु स्वात्मनः बुद्ध्या संबंधः मिथ्याज्ञान पुरस्सरः. Again, अनादेः प्रागभावस्य अपि विध्वंसः वीक्षितः यत् जीवत्वं बुद्ध्युपाधि संबंधात् आत्मनि परिकल्पितम् तत् ततः अन्यत् स्वरूपेण विलक्षणं न तु स्वात्मनः बुद्ध्या संबंधः मिथ्याज्ञान पुरस्सरः.
The illustration of Pragabhava is explained. Anadehe Pragabhavasya api. As we have already seen, Pragabhava is Anadi, beginningless. It is beginningless. अनादेहे प्रागभावस्य विध्वंसः अनादेहे प्रागभावस्य अपि विध्वंसः वीक्षितः. Pragabhava, prior non-existent, was seen to be what? No, Anadi. It was Anadi. But when the thing to whom the Abhava belongs is born, Pragabhava is destroyed. This what happens? Anadi Pragabhava is Anadi and Santa. Santa means Antena Saha Varsate. Beginningless but ending with nature. Accepted or not? That's all. Avidya also is what? Anadi, but ending is nature. If any ignorance is Anadi, and if it were not ending in nature, what would have happened? In the creation, nothing is possible. You will not know how to eat, how to talk. Even though your mother teaches. Question. That's why I said, how can the mother teach? Mother itself doesn't know. So, because mother, when a child has to be taught by the mother, so nothing, you will not be able to know anything at all. Vyavahara will be stand still. Why? I think Jagadandhyam Prasadji, different type of Jagadandhyam Prasadji. So Vyavahara Shunya, Jagat will be Vyavahara Shunya. Even see, everything needs to be taught. Walking, talking, eating, sleeping. You know, you are expert in walking. Ask the parents how much trouble, how much they have to hold you to make you walk and all that. Now, you can do circus also. So that is how by practice it happens. By practice it is. So that I say, Pragabhavasya, this Vidvamsaha, Vikshitaha. In the same manner, see what happened? What is the fact now? Even though that is avidya, and avidya karya is anadi. So what happens? It does get destroyed. So that your question is answered. So that is why the Dharshanta say that how jivatva can get destroyed. Yad jivatvam, whatever the status of being jiva for Atma, how it has come, already told. Upadhi sambandha, because of sambandha, connection with upadhi. Which upadhi? Vijnanamaya kosha, product of avidya. And what is that sambandha? Tadakmya, identification, tadakmya. Yat jivatvam, whatever jivatva, status of jiva, which is on account of identification with upadhi, namely the vijnanamaya kosha, the product of the avidya, says sambandha atmani parikalpitam. It is parikalpitam, falsely imagined in Atma. It is falsely imagined where? In Atma. Atmani, in Atma. Parikalpitam. Parikalpitam is falsely imagined in Atma. Tat. Tat means this jivatvam. That jivatvam. Tataha anyatna. Tataha anyat swarupena vilakshanamna. Jivatva is in its nature, swarupena, in its nature, tataha vilakshanamna is not distinct from tat. What is that? Atmanaha vilakshanamna. Now take our example. What is that? Snake is not different from rope. Snake is avidya parikalpita where? On rope. Therefore, snake in reality is not distinct from rope. Otherwise, what will happen? Suppose you mistake a rope for a snake. Rope will be intact, but another snake will come there. And if really snake comes, you have to handle different way. Not seeing rope will work there. It is not so. There is no snake trikala. At 3 periods of time it is not there at all. Tat means jivatvam, tataha atmanaha anyat swarupena vilakshanam. And that what is anyat? This different. Explain. Swarupena vilakshanam natu is not at all. Means jiva in reality is who? Paramatma. Jiva in reality Atma only. Then how this Brahma has come? Just a person sees a snake in the place of rope. How Brahma has come? Suppose light was brought and this deluded person is shown this is rope and not the snake, and he asked, how did I see the snake there? Who has to answer the question? Who has to answer the question? He has to answer the question and find out. Of course, we will give explanation because you did not see the rope as the rope and therefore you mistook it for snake. It is not the problem of the person who knows the rope as the rope and not the snake. So that is how it is. But Shastra tells you did not know the Atma Swarupa in its true nature and you mistook it for samsari like Rajju Sarpa. Now how this sambandha in terms of identification and embodiment is terminated, it can be terminated, is explained. Swatmanaha buddhya sambandha nitya ajnana purasara. But you are talking of sambandha. Sambandha with whom? Atma. Some sambandha has come or not. And once sambandha is ratified, it does. A boy and a girl got married, sambandha or not. It is sealed as such, sambandha. Like that, avidya, this vijnanamaya kosha and product of avidya and atma, sambandha has taken place. So therefore, it appears. Then how can you end it? This is not like that your sambandha. So that sambandha is for vyavahara. So that should be order in the society, etc., etc. That is for a person. Shastra only gives certain limited, that is norms, etc., so that there should be order in them. But this is not like that. This is ajnana purasaraha. This sambandha really is not possible. Come on. What is the relation between rope and the snake? Our rope and snake, okay, Rajju Sarpa example. You can't say, no, that rope is from Tanjore and this snake also is from Tanjore. Both are native of the same village. Not such sambandha, etc. Or both are in the same compound. So not that way. So what is the relation between rope and the mistaken snake? Really you can't say even adhisthana, adhyatma, you can't say. For explanation we may say, if you say adhisthana, adhyatma, the rope will protest. How dare you can say? There was no snake in the past, no snake now, no snake is going to be there. How are you going to relate me to this? What? Snake? Because, that Gajju was surfing website and it came across topic of Vedanta. It said, what let me show you? Hari, Rajju Sarpa. Every time Rajju Sarpa. It started from various colors. How dare they can make use by it? Otherwise they have to give me royalty also. They should give me royalty because they are using my name, Rajju. It doesn't, what connection it has not. But this Bhranta, this person who is under delusion has got a sambandha. Why he has got a sambandha? Because unless the Rajju is there, he would not have mistaken it for snake. Is it not? So for practical purpose we explain, but really there is no sambandha. Not only from the standpoint of reasoning, Shruti says, asangaha hi ayam purushaha. Ayam purushaha. This purusha means who? Atma. Do you know who is he? Asanga. Has he? Alat Niranjan. Alat Niranjan Bhava Bhaya Bhanjan. जैसे जीवन अभी मराठी देते एक जीव सदाशिव एक जीव बैचलर एक जीव बैचलर नहीं तो जीव होता ये भी काम चतुर्भुजा चतुर्भुजा becoming चतुर्भुजा there is a fun there. Becoming चतुर्भुजा got 2 minutes. One getting married, other getting arrested. Getting arrested by police also is called Chaturbhuja because one police was with a person with arrested, a police was there. That is what he said. A police was with other 2. Married other 2 arms have come Chaturbhuja. So like that. So how is that? So now say, Ek Jeev Sadashiv. A bachelor, he can be on his own as such, no dependent, nothing. He need not bother of anything as such. So there you have it. Now this Purusha, Jiva person, Asanga, has no connection, anything whatsoever with anyone. Do you know why? Any connection, sambandha comes into existence because of avayava, part, savayava. Atma being niravayava, you cannot connect with anything. Why? For example, you need not go up to Atma. Space. Space is what? Asanga. How can you connect? You may say space pollution. It is not space pollution. It is air pollution. Air pollution is superimposed on space. So that is not the correct thing. Like that, no, in grammar. Transferred epithet. That is, the farmer was trotting the weary way home. Weary means tired. The farmer was walking the tired way to home. The way path is not tired. Who is tired? Farmer is tired. He is tired. Some mess is superimposed where? On the path. So like that, this is, space is not polluted. Likewise, even though Paramatma appears to be Jiva, Paramatma is Asanga. He has no connection. That's why bondage, real or false, तो काम हो गया. नहीं है ही नहीं ना, तो फिर तो क्या भाई वेदांत ही कौन? भूत से है ही नहीं करेगा तो नहीं चलेगा. आत्मा एज असंग साक्षात्कार, that has to be taken to. This is परोक्ष ज्ञान. This is the one is not clearly known. Paroksha Jnana today is parading as Aparoksha Jnana. They don't know the distinction between Paroksha Jnana and Aparoksha. And words like the Sakshatkara, Atmanishta, not Atmanishta, Brahmjnananishta, etc. become taboo for these people. So they don't know the difference. Whether you get or not, better know what it is. Then what will happen? At least you will try to put forth the effort. If not possible, at least send the prayer. Bhagavan will come to rescue us. That is the prayer. So there is Mithya Jnana Purasara. Purasara means on account of Mithya Jnana. See, this word, be always careful, Mithya Jnana. It is not Mithya and Jnana. Mithya Ajnana. Ajnana, that is false. So this often comes, this phrase, Mithya Ajnana, Ajnana, that is false. Because, why it is false? Really Ajnana is not there. That's why it can get terminated. Fine. Atma in reality cannot be bound, but appears to be bound or not. Otherwise, you will not be in Vivek Chudamani class. That is pakka. Proof! You can't deny. Proof! Once it happened, Satya Sai Baba called one student. This fellow, or a person, some person, he was in the habit of smoking, and Satya Sai Baba has said, should not smoke at all. Why did you smoke? He thought, how he can come to know when I didn't smoke. Don't tell a lie. Did you not smoke? No, I didn't. Twice or thrice he said. Then still he said denied. Is it that shop at such and such place, that corner shop, were you not smoking? Still he said no. Is it? Photograph. Photograph, this fellow was smoking. What is it? Apologize. He thought that he can escape that way. So like this. No, that's why you can't say. We are not bothered. We are Nitya Mukta. And Shastra also says Nitya Buddha, Mukta, Shuddha, Satya, Ananda, Ananda, etc. Lip service will not. Because your problem of samsara, the problem of limitations, tensions, confusions, and all these things, wanting this and all that, despair, etc., is it false? I think let us not go. Your problem of hunger, there you can be caught. Your problem of hunger, false. I will send instruction home. And if you are the master or the mistress of the home, I will see that the home is locked. You will not be able to. And if any money is there in pocket, I will take it, otherwise go to the hotel. So, then, that is real, no? Hunger is real. Just as, yes, hunger is false but appears to be real. That is very important. It should be practical. You know what is once it happened? See, sometimes this Vedanta, if it goes too much in the head gets turned. You should be practical. So that is it. In the Puttaparthi college, this actually happened. This has actually happened. One brilliant student was there. Just degree course here, this thing. First year, very good performance. Second year, his performance went on going down and down and down and down and down. Now it is not like any other hostel. It is the duty of the hostel superintendent that what has happened to keep watch of performance. So he called him. And what he found was, this fellow had read some Vedanta books. He had read some Vedanta books. Sir, everything is Maya. Why should I study and have this? And this fellow picked up few things, not anything. And of course, hostel superintendent also was the one who knew Vedanta. He started arguing with him on the principal basis. He started counter-arguing, but he is not getting convinced. And his performance went on. Now it is a concern for whom? The superintendent. He reported to Satya Sai Baba. Satya Sai Baba said only this much. You should give a practical demonstration. Practice. No, he had no courage to ask what is the practical demonstration. That much he said, practical demonstration. Means everything is Maya, it doesn't practical, is not Vyavaharataha. Means it is not going to solve the problem as well. Practical demonstration. Few weeks passed by. The superintendent could not get any practical demonstration. One day it happened. In the morning, the hostel superintendent was seeing the dining hall, breakfast and was everything, arrangement is all right, etc., etc. Yes, and he told the one who is charge of the student, give the bell, ring the bell. And this boy happened to be the first one to come with the plate. Then the superintendent remembered, generally, whether it is breakfast or lunch or dinner, this boy is the forefront. So, and he came in the queue to get the breakfast. The superintendent called him and slowly whispered, breakfast also is Maya. It clicked. Breakfast also is Maya, your hunger also is Maya, and yet you want to eat the food. Then he understood this thing, and afterwards he came up. So like this half Vedanta is dangerous. Half Vedanta is dangerous. So therefore, you can't say, Maya is mithya. You have to be practical. So practical sense is that. So yes, though it is a problem because we take it to be real. When we can know it is false, when we know our swarupa. When you know a dream is false, wake up. Suppose in the dream you are being chased by a tiger, what do? Run or say, hello tiger, I know you are dream tiger, come on, shake hands with me. Do you say so? No. In dream it is real. Wake up. Yes. Is it not? That is how it is. Suppose a dream you are hungry. This fellow had gone to a marriage party and had eaten up. and eaten up to the neck, and he dreamt that he is starving for 7 days. Already indigested. Dream maybe because of indigestion. For stomach is full of food, that is not going to help. So that means a remedy to a problem must have the same degree of reality as a problem. No doubt it is false, but it appears to be real. So that should be without knowledge, it is not possible. So that in the case, the avidya nivritti, jivatva nivritti is possible by jnana. The problem of a false snake can be solved by discovering it to be a room and the problem to be a false. Here also, without knowledge, the samsara problem, jivatva problem cannot be solved.
विनिवृत्तिर्भवे तस्य सम्यक् ज्ञानेन नान्यथा ब्रह्मात्मैकत्वविज्ञानम् सम्यक् ज्ञानं श्रुतेर्मतम् अन्वय ब्रह्मात्मैकत्वविज्ञानम् सम्यक् ज्ञानम् इति श्रुतेः मतम् तस्य विनिवृत्तिः सम्यक् ज्ञानेन भवेत् अन्यथा न. Again, ब्रह्मात्मैकत्वविज्ञानं सम्यक् ज्ञानम् इति श्रुतेः मतम् तस्य विनिवृत्तिः सम्यक् ज्ञानेन भवेत् अन्यथा न.
You take this way only. Tasya vinivritti, same thing, first take this line first. Tasya vinivritti samyak jnanena bhave anyatha nam. Then brahmatmaikatva vijnanam samyak jnanam iti shrutehe matam. Tasya vinivritti, tasya means tasya स्वात्मनः विज्ञानमयेन कोश संबंधस्य तस्य if you want to do shortly संबंधस्य which संबंध between आत्मा and विज्ञानमय कोश what type of संबंध तादात्म्य संबंधस्य तस्य means तस्य तादात्म्य संबंधस्य विनिवृत्ति termination distraction सम्यक् ज्ञानेन भवे सम्यक् ज्ञानेन by the right knowledge, true knowledge of what Atma Swarupa भवे अन्यथा not by any other means than सम्यक् ज्ञान means यथार्थ ज्ञान. Knowledge, yathartha means true to the nature. Knowledge, true to the nature of Atma Swarupa, Paramatma Swarupa. Then by that it takes place. Na annena. How do you say so? What is the basis of your statement? This is what Shruti Upanishad declares. Another come to the question come. What is Samyak Jnana? See, what was told? Sambandha, bondage, identification of Atma with Vijnanamaya Kosha or Jiva can go only by Samyak Jnana. Now what is Samyak Jnana? There may be many notions. Samyak Jnana is going to heaven. It is going to heaven. Or Samyak Jnana is something taking to Samadhi. Who has to define Samyak Jnana? There will be many notions in there. Shruti only has to define. So therefore this is what Samyak Jnana is. Brahmatmaikatva Vijnanam Samyak Jnana. It is not simply Jnana. Samyak, Yathartha, as it is. So what is that Samyak Jnana? Brahmatmaikatva Vijnanam. Vijnana is this word you should know properly. Vijnana means Sakshatkara. Vijnana means Sakshatkara. In Mandukya, Nanta Prajnam, Nabahish Prajnam, etc. Atma Sarupa is defined. Sa Atma, Saha Vijneyaha. Vijneya. The meaning of Vijneyaha, Bhashyakara has not given. He has not given. He has kept Vijneyaha as Vijneya. In Kena Bhashya, Bhuteshu Bhuteshu Vichitya Dhiraha. Vichitya, for this word, Bhashyakara gives first meaning as Vijnaya, then gives the meaning as Sakshat Kritya. Means Vijnaya means what? Sakshat Kritya. Means Sakshat. That's what Vijnana means what? Sakshatkara. Grammatically, Jna to mean no. When Jna verbal root gets added by, supplemented by V prefix, Vijna, it means Sakshatkara. What is Sakshatkara? Aparoksha Jnana. Direct cognition of Atma Sarupa in its true nature. So therefore, Brahmatmaikatva Vijnanam Samyak Jnanam. Brahmatmaikatva Sakshatkara. Directly knowing Atma to be Brahma Sarupa, that is what is what? Vijnana. Who told you all these things? It is Times of India editorial column. Shrutehe Matam. This is what the verdict of the Shruti, not opinion. This is the Tatparya of the Shruti. Here Shruti means Upanishad, Veda of the Shrutehe Matam. So therefore, though Anadi Upadhi is Anadi, it is subject to destruction. And how? By Samyak Jnana. What is Samyak Jnana? Brahmatmaika. What is the next question? One thing is asserted, Brahmatmaika Jnana is, but how to get it? Which shop we have to go? Okay, we won't just stop. Which ashram we have to go? First verify those who are in the ashram have got whether they not Vedanta simply teaching, whether this Samyak Jnana they have got or not, verify. Otherwise, Andhe Naiva Niyamana Andha Parampara. That's why best thing, in the Kali Yuga, keep company with you, companion. One who is most reliable companion. You can be Ishwar. Every step keep that issue. Before going to ashram, before choosing a guru also, before choosing a acharya also, pray. Please guide me, etc. He will never fail you. He will ever fail you. And if your prayers are sincere, he will catch you by the ear even if you want to run away. You know, that is what Lord Rama said. If anyone says, "Oh Lord, I am yours," I will never leave it. And if he leaves, I will catch him. Why did you commit the mistake? Because there is one more name in my list, and once it enters the list, I can't give it up as well. So therefore, send sincere prayers. He will help you. He knows better. Question comes: what is the need for Samyak Jnana? The need for Samyak Jnana is being now elaborated.
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं शोकरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय